Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really cool little everyday bag for your Pocket 3. Now, this is from our friends over at Start RC. As you guys can see, this is kind of one of those, I guess the easiest way to describe this is like one of the protection cases without it being too heavy, too bulky. Now, it does have an integrated handle here at the top. The handle does not retract, but it is padded. That's really nice. It comes with the shoulder strap, so you can either use it with the shoulder strap or without. It just easily detaches from the sides, as you guys see here. So let's just go ahead and take off the shoulder strap for the rest of this video. But I did want you guys to see that a shoulder strap is included with it, and you can actually put this inside of the bag if you don't want to carry it, you know, as a shoulder strap. All right, let's get to the bag. So the bag itself, as I said before, has the double zippers, really nice zippers on here. They go all the way to the top, to the handle. So it's going to give you full access to whatever you have inside of the bag. Starting out in the bag, you have a storage area up here where you can put cables or manuals or whatever it is you want to put up here, you know, to carry with you. And as you look inside of the case, you guys can see that you can fit quite a few accessories in here. I just grabbed a few and threw them in here. This is the little bracket that you can use for attaching other things to your Pocket 3. Here is one of our microphones that I carry with me all the time. This little piece right here is, everyone knows what this is. This is just your extension block. And I even have the Pocket 3 here inside of one of the protective cases, and it fits in there with no problem. So you can easily access your camera whenever you need to, no problems. And, you know, it has this really nice, almost like a velvety material inside. That feels really nice. And I think that's going to keep your device, you know, dry and safe. So overall, I would rate this little bag here somewhere between an 8 and a 10, but you know, for most of my everyday run and gun, this is going to be more than enough because it's going to give me just enough room to put the more essential things that I would carry with me, you know, in one of my larger bags, or if I was just going out for a day trip and I just wanted to take this with me. But let me show you guys something else really quickly here. If you have the original housing for your Pocket 3, it will fit in here, no problem. And that's with the lid on here as well. So depending on which device you have, I just want you guys to know that this will accommodate the majority of them, and even it will accommodate some of the smaller little tripods. So if you have one of those, it'll fit in here as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, this has been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to show you guys this cool little bag that I think a lot of people might be interested in having, especially with the holiday seasons coming up and you're going to be doing a little bit of travel. You want to make sure that your camera is going to be safe and accessible. This could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.